What are we doing?
I was playing with Emily, but she threw her chair at me.
My camcorder, remember? I got it for my birthday.
What, your camcorder?
Grandma?
Of course she would do that. You want to watch me play with your sister? She throws chairs at me.
Oh, look, it's somebody's crabby. What are you doing, Emily? Are you building a house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a very cool house. I don't think you'd fit in there, Ashley.
Who showed you how to build houses?
You.
Yeah. What are you doing? That's not how you build houses. You don't build house by throwing things, do you? Is that your house?
I need more stuff.
Oh, okay. Well, where are you gonna get it?
I need the bed.
You need the bed? Well, are you gonna go get it?
Yes.
Okay. I don't think the... Is the bed in the kitchen?
No.
No?
Down there.
Oh. Oh no. Who's gonna get it?
Me.
Okay.
I can't. Mom, so I can pick up things.
Okay.
Wow,
Whoopies. Up in the dark. I gotta turn on the light. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
First, we gotta move the chair.
Okay, first we gotta move the chair.
I can't do it.
Oh, yes, you can. I can't help you. I'm videotaping you.
I'm good at
Okay. Let me see. Okay, there. Yeah, well. Just push it. Push it real good. You're doing a good job.
We can't take it upstairs.
Why not?
We can't take it up there when it's down here.
Sure you can. Just bring it up the stairs. Move the gate. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
Alright. Okay. Ow! I was banging my elbow. Okay.
She carried us there.
She did most of it. Good job!
We need to end it.